Google Drive is a great way to store your files so that they're easily accessible no matter what computer you're on. There's a couple ways that you can upload files into Google Drive. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Drive. So you go to Drive, you open it. The next thing you want to do is you want to kind of make sure that it's minimized. So you're going to just make it small. After you minimize it, you can adjust it so you have it the way you want it. Basically, you just want to be able to make sure that you see you're in My Drive and you can see your folders down below. There's a couple of different ways that you can move your files over if they're not organized. So if they're not organized already in a folder, what you might want to do is just make a new folder in Google Drive. So you hit Create and then New Folder. And then I'm just going to call this Resources for Parents. Create. And then what I'm going to do is I have these two resources. So there's a couple of ways that you can drag them in. One, I can open the folder. Then I can go under New. And I can say File Upload. Now what I can do is I can just press this folder. You can individually open them, or if you hit Shift, you can add them both. And then I hit Open. Now what they're going to do is they're going to start uploading, and you'll see they automatically go into the folder. So now they're in My Drive. The other thing that you can do is you can actually just drag a folder or drag individual documents into Drive. So I'm going to just go back into my general Drive, so I'm not in any folder right now. Then what I'm going to do is say I have some files that on the computer that I want to move over. So I'm going to open my File Explorer. I want to open this I want to drag this whole folder that has pictures on here into my Google Drive. So I just go ahead and click on it, and then I just move it over to upload it into my Drive. I put it in my 22-23 folder, and it's uploading right now. And that's it. That's basically the two different ways. You can either drag them in, or you can upload them using the New button.